I'm going to show you how you can sell digital products on Shopify. Now from Shopify here, all you have to do is that you have to go to products. Now on products, you have to tap on this button, add product. Now on add product, let's just name it, give it a name. For this one, I'm just going to do, it's a course here, right? A course on how to get rich, something like that. Course on how to get rich. You can add a description if you want. You can add a picture if you like. You can add it to a category. For a price, let's just give it 10,000 like this. And then the cost per item will be 0 since it's digital. Now you can track the quantity here, but the most important part is that shipping here. This is a physical product. It's checked right now. So if it's digital, then obviously it's not physical, right? You can't touch it. So uncheck this. Now it will be a digital product here, right? So you won't enter the shipping details at checkout. Now you can see that's basically it because we actually have a digital product now, right? So this is a digital product. Tap on save and then that's it. You can start selling your digital product on your themes here, right? So now this is a digital product. If you can check, you can go to online store here. You can go to themes and we can actually check if the product is actually on. Let's go to themes. Let's go to customize. Now let's just wait for our store to load. Once it loads, scroll down and you can see course on how to get rich. It's here, right? So that's it. We're done.